Similarly, there are tastes. So what is the taste? Taste is that Jiver Sarup hoy Nitya Krishna Das. We are eternal servant of God. This is our dharma or constitutional position. Just like sugar is sweet. That is the taste. If sugar is salty, although both of them look the same, white powder, but if I give you sugar and if it is actually salt, then immediately you say, oh, this is not sugar, this is not sugar. How? By taste. Similarly, everything has got its constitutional position. The sugar is sweet and the chili is pungent. If sugar is pungent and chili is sweet, then you throw it away. It is not real. It is not real. Similarly, what is the constitutional position of human being? Dharma, to serve. This is constitution. Every one of us, we are serving. Without service, we have no other business. So this is our constitutional position. But we are serving wrongly, therefore we are not satisfied. This is the position. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu therefore begins his philosophy from this point, that Jiver Sarup hoy Nitya Krishna Das. The real constitutional position of all living entities is to serve Krishna. This is constitutional position. But unfortunately, being misguided, instead of serving Krishna, we are serving so many other things. Somebody is serving his family, somebody is serving his country, somebody is serving his dog. In this way, service is there, but the service is misplaced. Therefore, we are not satisfied. Why in the material world people are not satisfied? Because his position is to serve Krishna. He is serving Maya, therefore he is not happy. Plain thing. Krishna says, Mama imangsa jiva bhuta. Jeev, the living entity, they are my part and parcel. So, each one of us, we are part and parcel of God. So, we have got some duty. Just like the part and parcel of my body has got some duty. The eyes, his duty is to see. The ear, his duty is to hear. So every part of duty, even within, without. So, we being servant, eternal servant of Krishna, our only duty is to serve Krishna. And because we are not doing that, therefore we are unhappy. So that duty is called dharma. It is not a kind of faith. It is the constitutional position. You must have to serve. If you don't serve Krishna, then you will have to serve Maya. There are two things. God or Satan. So similarly, God is Krishna and Satan is Maya. So if you refuse to serve God, then you have to serve Satan. That's all. You cannot become master. This is called dharma. Dharmantu sakshat bhagavatpani. And as it is said here, Vedo Narayana sakshat. Vedo Narayana sakshat. Veda, the knowledge, the law or the order. That order is from God. Therefore, there is no difference between the Vedas and Narayana. Because Narayana, God is absolute. He personally and His word is the same thing. In the material experience also, we see that the government and the government law is the same thing. You cannot say that the government law is different from government. This is material example. And spiritually still more perfect. Vedo Narayana Saksha. In other words, that you cannot make any law. The government can make law. Similarly, you cannot manufacture any religion. Narayana Saktas, Narayan God, he can make. You cannot make at your home, I have manufactured a type of religion. No, that you cannot do. Nowadays this is going on. Jato mat tato. Mane, you can manufacture your own religion. This is going on. You are okay, I am okay. I manufacture my religion, you manufacture your religion, don't fight. Let us become brother. This is going on. How you can be brother? The dog remain a dog, how they can become brother? It is not possible. Therefore, so many religious systems, they are all rascals. One religion, that is the order of God. That is, if you want one religion, then you must know who is God and you must abide by the order of God. That is religion. Very simple way. You cannot manufacture concoction. That is not religion. Therefore, Bhagavad, it is said, dharma prodhita koitava, all these cheating type of religion is rejected, kicked out from Srimad Bhagavatam. What is that religion? That param sattam dhimai. The supreme truth, the absolute truth, we are accepting. This is religion. So, the absolute truth is Krishna.